Hi, this is Jesse with UC Riverside's Teaching Assistant Development Program. This is the Introduction to Blackboard series, and in this series I am going to show you how to use some of the basic functions in Blackboard in order to better facilitate your ability to be a teaching assistant at UCR. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is open up a web browser and go to ilearn.ucr.edu. Okay, and that will take us to this page. Click on CAS Login, and what you'll have to do is enter your username, your NetID, and password. Your NetID is the stuff you type in to get into webmail. So that's going to be jbren001 for me, and then I'll type in my password. And what that does is that brings us to this landing page at iLearn. Now what you'll see on this page is a few critical things. At the top of the page you've got a help menu up here. So if you ever get into any trouble, you can go to the help menu and possibly find out something. Now one of the reasons we're doing these screencasts is that a lot of the stuff that would be in that help menu we're just going to show you in the up and coming videos. Okay, but as you look at this landing page, you'll see on the left there's some tools here. Most students just click over here and look at their grades, and that's really what they do on this landing page. But there's also two really important areas. There's My Announcements here, which we're going to be talking about in some later videos, and then there's a calendar that you can use right here. The courses that you're enrolled in show up here. And in order to get into your courses, you just find the course that you want and you click on it. Okay, so I'm going to go into a course that I taught over the summer. Okay, and what you'll see on this screen is exactly what your students see when they log in to their iLearn page, except there's one critical difference, and that critical difference is that you have a control panel right here in the bottom left side of the screen. Your students don't have that control panel. Other than that, this is basically everything right here that you need to use is in the control panel. So we click on the control panel, and once we get inside the control panel, there's a big list of tools here to use. And so in the upcoming videos I'm going to be going through each of these areas and telling you a little bit more about what you can do with the tools in each of these areas and how you can use them to enhance your role as an educator.